Hey Weight Wanters, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are here to talk about the kind of food that you should be eating on your weight gain journey and things you should know about food and weight gain. So as always guys, no long intro, we're gonna get straight into the facts. First off, we're going to start off with a few things that you should know when it comes to weight gain and food. Number one on that list is making sure that you're focusing on the quantity of food you're having over the specific types of food. So I cannot tell you how many times we get asked, what food should I eat to gain weight? What food is going to make me gain weight? And guys, the truth is anything can really make you gain weight if you eat enough of it. So that's why it's really important to focus on the quantities rather than the specifics. For example, hummus is something that can be used on your weight loss journey and also on your weight gain journey. And the difference between the two is the amount of hummus that you use in your meal. If you're on a weight loss journey, maybe you're only going to use a small tablespoon of hummus as a little side. But on your weight gain journey, maybe you're going to use 2 heaped tablespoons of hummus to add more calories to your meal. So it all depends on the amount of food you're eating more than the specific foods that you are eating. The same goes for avocado as well. Avocado is a very nutrient dense food, and if you're on a weight loss journey, you're probably going to use half or quarter of an avocado, but on your weight gain journey, you want to try and use a whole avocado, whether it's in your meal or in your smoothie. Number 2 is to make sure that you are focusing on calorie and nutrient dense food over empty calories. So we've spoken a little bit about empty calories in our previous videos, but I'm going to give you an example. Let's go with avocado again. You get around 250 calories from one avocado. The nutrients and goodness that you're going to get from that avocado is completely different to if you have 250 calories worth of chocolate cake. Chocolate cake, of course, is full of a lot of sugars and fats, which is a lot of empty calories. That isn't really going to give you the weight gain that you want. We want to try and focus on building lean muscle mass so we don't put on any excess fat on our weight gain journey. Number 3, guys, is that you can bulk up your meals using add-ons. So something that you should get into the habit of doing is something that I think I've pretty much mastered is I see a lot of food online because I am a foodie. I absolutely love food. However, a lot of the stuff you see online is obviously weight loss focused, but I can see a recipe that is maybe intended for someone to lose weight, and then I can add ingredients and toppings to bulk up the meal to make it something that is more suited for me on my weight gain journey. So using add-ons like chia seeds, nuts, honey, etc. These are the kind of ingredients that you can add to a meal to take it from a standard meal to a Weight Wanter meal. Lastly, guys, when it comes to weight gain and food, make sure that you are having high protein in your diet. So protein helps the muscles grow, it helps the muscles repair, and it helps us get thick, okay? So especially if you're training, make sure that you're eating enough protein to make sure that you're repairing the muscles and helping the muscles grow at a nice rate. If you're not eating enough protein, then this can actually stall your gains, especially if you're training in the gym and lifting heavy weights. And you guys should already know one way to make sure that you're increasing your protein, nutrients, and calories is by adding high calorie smoothies into your journey. If you're new to smoothies, you can head over to our website and try our 7-day smoothie challenge so you can start exploring high calorie smoothie recipes that are going to take your gains to the next level. All right guys, so here is a list of some high calorie foods that you can be adding into your weight gain journey that are very calorie dense. Make sure you screenshot this before we move on to the next slide. And over here guys, we've got a list of high protein foods that you can be adding into your diet to make sure that you are hitting your protein requirements. Some of these are a crossover of high calorie and high protein ingredients, and that is a double whammy. So definitely make sure that you're using those ingredients. Again, make sure that you screenshot this list so you can use it in your weight gain journey. So guys, we hope you have enjoyed this video and gained a little bit more knowledge on weight gain and food. Make sure that you are signed up to our mailing list to be the first to hear about our new weight gain recipe book, which is going to have over 50 high calorie recipes in from breakfast, lunch, dinner, and we've also included a section of lazy meals for the days where you don't really want to do too much in the kitchen, but you still want to make sure that you're getting a nice high calorie meal in. Guys, as always, happy gaining!